are here at Marazion, and the beach is absolutely full of a flock of turnstones. So I'm going to get the digital out and quickly take some pictures of those whilst they're still here. Tide should be going out, but there's no sign of the causeway as yet. Sun is over there and it's looking pretty near to sun setting, so we'll see what we get whilst we're here, but at least it's not raining. Right, we're set up on the beach at Marazion. The normal shot wasn't really feasible due to works on the causeway, so I'm gone to a different vantage point. Hopefully it'll be reasonable. Sun is literally just about to set now. There's lots and lots of seabirds all around, so let's see if we can try and get. There was just a whole group of turnstones just flew right across. It's a beautiful scene, beautiful. This basically is my composition at the moment, with the wet rocks leading into the seaweed, leading into the castle in the distance. 2-stop medium density filter. Let's rock it. Doing a 60th at 400, so let's go down to 200, 30th. There. Just got us a little bit of let's go to F11 now. That'll be a 15th. Sod it, let's go to 16. Hopefully everything will be in focus now. Right. 2-second timer. Bob's your elderly male relative. Ta-da! So one shot, probably not the greatest in the world. I think we need a bit more exposure in this. 1/5 of a second, f16, medium density graduated filter. Right, let's do a horizontal comp. Great thing about these L grips is that it only takes an instant to switch. The thing you must remember is turn. Got the rock in the distance in picture, the setting sun. 1/5 of a second, f16. Where are we going to focus? About there. Oh, let's get a bit more level. Yeah, man. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and bingo. Probably need a bit more exposure still. So, here we go to 1/4 of a second, f16. And just adjust that a little teeny bit. It's all fast working stuff here, so not your slow 4x4 stuff. I'm going to do another exposure at much brighter. So I'm going to do one at 1, and that's for the foreground. Hopefully I'll be able to blend in later. Right, there we are, back to 1/4. Right. Not a spectacular sunset, unfortunately, but I was here. Hurrah! Birds around here everywhere. I can see another flock of probably turnstones about to fly over. There are hundreds on the rock just over to the right. Here we come. I don't know whether they're turnstones, a bit too big. These are probably oyster catchers. Very nice. Yes, oyster catchers coming in for the evening roost. Right. Beach is covered in kelp. Obviously been some pretty heavy weather recently. The waves are quite substantial, but not huge. But certainly you can smell that sea smell. It's just wonderful on the beach at this time of year. No bloody tourists. Me handsome. Right. I don't know whether there's any scope for anything else. Let's open her up a tad. Yeah. I don't think we can do much more with that. And the sea is actually getting quite a long way away now, as the tide is still going out. So I might go and have a look at that causeway to see if there's any scope to be able to take some pictures beyond the works, but I don't think so. Okay, so if that doesn't work, this will be it. I'll show you whatever I've got, be it good or bad. But this has been fun, playing around with filters just like the good old days. Don't use them very much these now, but let's hope those that kelp with its nice browny colour will show up well when we come to processing the images. That's it for the day, finished now, put the digital away, going back to the B&B, enjoyed this shoot immensely, don't know how well the pictures will come out, who cares, I've had a great time, both up at Lanyon Coit and down here at Marazion taking pictures at St Michael's Mount. Still haven't got that elusive, fantastic sunset here, but hey, it's not going anywhere, and I am, or rather I'm going out to my B&B. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.